Hi, nomenclature, a system of terms used in a particular science or field of knowledge or art. It is a system for giving names to things. For instance, we are calling humans Homo sapiens. In chemistry, it is the process of naming chemical compounds with different distinct names. So let us understand how to name different halogen compounds through this video. Let's get started. Nomenclature Halo compounds. Our aim is to identify halo compounds as separate chemicals. We will be covering here primary, secondary, tertiary halides, normal common names, and also we will be understanding vinylic, allylic, benzylic halo compounds. We all are familiar with chlorobenzene, chlorine with benzene group, and bromobenzene, bromine with benzene group, that is bromobenzene. Now let us understand and recall few things. Number 1. Stem used in naming carbon atom 1 to 10. Meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. So if we have to name for the 6 carbon atom chlorine compound, then we will be naming it according to the position of chlorine, and it will be likewise 1 chlorohexane. 1 chlorohexane. Now we have to see the position of the chlorine. Alkyl halide is the general name given to the alkane with halogen group, and halo, it may be chloro, bromo or iodo, and ane is used for this. So this is a prefix used as a substituent group. Now next, let us understand few formulae. Methyl chloride, that is the common name, IUPAC name is chloromethane. Ethyl bromide, bromoethane. N-propyl iodide, it is the straight chain, normal chain. Now the naming, for naming IUPAC, if we have to start the numbering will start from the iodine connected to the carbon. So 1 iodopropane. Likewise, single branch isopropyl chloride. So it will be 2 chloropropane. And N-butyl bromide is 1 bromobutane. Secondary butyl bromide 2 bromobutane. Now we have to be very careful about the tick one. Isobutyl is also branched and secondary butyl is also branched. There is a difference in the chlorine which is attached to the primary carbon and chlorine which is attached to that carbon which is secondary, means attached to other 2 carbon atom. So likewise, isobutyl chloride name as 1 chloro 2 methyl propane and secondary butyl chloride as 2 chlorobutane. In this manner we can do this. Let us start with 2 other compounds. Now here the compounds are given. First, to identify, this is secondary alkyl halide. The second one is also secondary alkyl halide because carbon is attached with chlorine that is attached to 2 other carbons. So this is secondary. The name is 2-chloro-3-methyl-butane for the first compound and 3-chloro-4-methyl-hexane for the second compound. The naming for both the compounds will start from the right hand side. 2-chloro, because alphabetically C comes first, so 2-chloro-3-methyl-butane. Now these are some aryl halides. So chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene. Aryl group when benzene is attached to the halogen group. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene. When there are 2 such groups, then we have to name them, number them. So numbering will start from chlorine 1, 2. Since 2 chlorine are there in the first figure, so it will be dichlorobenzene. 1, 3. 1, 3 will be dibromobenzene. Numbering comes under IUPAC name. Now similarly the third one is 1, 3, 5 tribromobenzene, and likewise we can answer. Similarly, the common name for 1-2 position, we have to mark it ortho, 1-3 meta, and 1-4 that will be para. Alkyl halide, that is RX, allyl halide, just check the position 1, 2, 3, one double bond and bromine is attached to another carbon. Vinyl halide 1 and 2 and bromine is attached to 1. Aryl halide we have already talked about. So there are halides like alkyl halide, allyl halide, vinyl halide and aryl halide. These are the common some practice question. Summarization: methyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride. The chlorine is attached to that carbon which is attached to 3 other carbon. Benzyl iodide, benzene, CH2 group and iodine. The last one is for you and it is as clear 2-chlorohexane. That's all. If you like it, please subscribe it.